Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel Tech and Cryptos. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to sign up for Adobe Firefly. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type firefly.adobe.com and hit on enter right now. Now this is the official homepage of Adobe Firefly. You can scroll down and look at all the features and facilities provided. Right here at the very top on the navbar, you will find something like sign in. Simply click on this button right here. Then a pop-up like this will open up. You can sign in or sign up from right here. Here's the create an account button, simply click on it. A new pop-up will open up once again. Now it's gonna ask you to sign up using your Google account, Facebook account, Apple ID, or simply with your email address. Sign up with whatever you find most comfortable. I'm simply gonna sign up with my Google account right here. Simply select the email address of your choice. And as you can see, we have successfully signed up for our Adobe Firefly account. You can sign up using Google, Facebook, your email address, it's completely up to you. Well, as you can see, I have created an account. That's it for the video guys, that's how you sign up for Adobe Firefly. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.